all of it?
All.
Yeah, you can put all.
Slowly.
Slowly only.
Slowly.
Slowly, huh? Hello guys, Gabby is making bread.
No, I'm not making bread, so they call this.
What's that? Muffin.
Ganito ano?
Muffin.
Okay.
Plain egg, Papa.
Egg, how many egg?
So many.
How many egg?
Mama, like a mountain.
Yeah.
You see, like a mountain. Thank
Bukas.
you. Mama, can I crack it?
Yeah, wait.
Can you also give me
Yung ating ano,
Spoon.
pang ikot.
to crack it? Crack the spoon. Yes. No, this is kinda good.
Give to mama.
And then chocolate.
No chocolate.
Mama, can I?
Mamaya, wait.
I love the chocolate.
So many chocolate.
And then
Crack the egg.
Egg.
Slowly, ha? Oh, okay.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
Put it here.
Mama.
Oh.
Wash.
I cannot take this only. I
Wait.
use straws.
And then oil, Papa.
Oil.
Yeah,
Mix.
wait.
I have to do a hard.
Yes.
125 ml.
Can I see the oil here?
Can I have this? I
Binuksan ko na preheat na.
here.
Excuse me.
Wait, the oil first and
Oil first.
125.
Please.
No, hindi dyan sa malaki.
240 yun mahal eh. Ito na.
240.
Ito ay 125.
Mama, I'm scared of the crispy.
125.
Oh my gosh.
125.
Mama, already finished.
Okay, put it.
Mama, the chocolate.
Yeah. And
Mama,
then
where
milk.
I put
Put milk first, milk.
milk here. Can I? And now mix.
Ano parang ano na to?
Why?
Okay. Okay. 125 ml. Diyan pa natin kaunti.
Slowly.
Put there the cup. Okay.
Can I?
Yeah, you can mix it.
Here.
Yeah. Slowly, ha?
Okay.
No, don't.
Oh
Only
no,
just.
it's dirty.
Yeah, it's okay, just like that.
Mama.
Mm.
It's like an egg in here.
Mas maganda to, mas makapal.
I want also.
Yeah,
No, later, you finish first that one.
Mama, give me.
Ilalagay na natin. Dodoblein natin. yung
Mama,
papel.
give me this.
Yeah,
one.
wait. Dodoblein natin kasi.
Yeah, just mix it.
Just mix it.
Mama, look the chocolate there.
Yeah.
Much better if you do like this.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Yeah. Go.
Mama, look. Look, Mama. Mama, did you see this? Mama, there too.
Yeah. You
Like
can
this.
mix that one first. Kailangan ito natin, mahalo.
Go.
Kailangan natin ng ganyang tray.
Oh, slowly na ano.
Kasi baka pag nilagay mo matapon.
Meron sa ano yun. Sa kick. Yes. Go. Go.
Mixing. Already dry. We'll go to
No,
the.
like this. At the side. At the side. Yeah. Slowly lang. On the side, you make it like.
Oh, look at this
Can I
flash.
Like that. Because it's.
I see the chocolate going up. Mama, I want also to. Can I have?
You mix the... Yan. Papa mix it.
Can I have? I cannot reach. Mom, I cannot reach there. Thank you.
Welcome.
Where's the last there? This is for me.
We're making...
Cupcakes.
What we're making?
Cupcakes.
Yeah, we're
Cupcake.
making cupcake, guys. Papa, yan.
There's also video there, Mama.
Yeah. We're making cupcake.
Making cupcake.
This is for me. This is for you. Yeah.
Yeah, okay na siguro.
Sige. Plus 2, anak. Plus 2. Okay na. Okay.
Can I?
Mix it.
Mama, look. It's like a dumpy.
Dumplings na yan.
Dumplings.
Dumplings. Oh.
It's muffin, not dumplings.
Ay, anak, ano will mix it?
No, me.
Okay. Hi guys, kamu. Hi guys, kamu ha. Hi guys, we're making...
Cupcakes.
Hi guys, kamu.
Hi guys, we're making cupcakes. Mama, I wish the chocolate is so cute. You do it.
Like this.
Okay. I will hold it also.
To mix it all, and then you put like this.
What? You could
This is already
finish.
finished, and then we need to put in the
Strawberry. Can I get the spoon?
No,
What?
we put this one.
Yay! Can I put? Mama.
Spoon na lang kaya ano?
Mama. Can I get the spoon? Mama.
Ito
Can
na
I
lang.
get the spoon?
Wait, anak, wait.
Oh,
I will give you, just wait. Ay, naku, mahal.
You want
Spoon na
spoon?
lang na siguro.
Spoon.
Yung ano, mahal, yung...
Ganito?
Okay. Wait lang, anak.
no.
Ouch. Ako na na yan.
Spoon.
Ako na lang magpuput, ha? Kasi baka matapon.
Tulungan mo siya. Ito pa lang.
Put here. Slowly, ha?
Okay.
Okay.
It's not going out.
Baka lagyan mo ng spoon isa pa. Ito.
Yay!
Ako na lang maglagay na.
No.
Oh, wait.
You help. Go.
Wait.
Wait lang, anak. Oh, go.
Wait, pero muna si mama.
Hiram muna kay mama.
No.
Because very smooth. How do you call this one? It's like oily.
Like a slime.
Slimy.
Kulang ka.
Yuppie.
Uy.
That'll be
Kulang na?
Gerard. Abby.
Kasi pag siya naglagay ka.
Alright.
All on in the dancing queen. Dun, dun, dun.
No, I wish.
Later you put the marshmallow.
If already cooked,
If
not
already
now, it
cooked,
will-
then you will put the marshmallow on the top. Very soft, right? There's a
look.
pink.
No, it looks like coffee corn.
Yeah, this one. Marshmallow.
But it says coffee corn.
Ang dami niya, ibang maliliit.
No, what would you have? Achari ugri pugri utara haswa tuti ito haswa tap joy edget fighter edget fighter sa utara hatra misses ugri pugri utara hatra sa ugri hatra Top shoy and jet fighter.
Got it. Wait.
Where's the costume? Hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Here's the for takeouting. Look, it's for takeouting.
Yes.
If you do like this
Yeah, that is marshmallow.
marshmallow, you can put on your head.
Tignan mo yung ginawa mo.
Mama, so big.
Bumuka tuloy yung
It's a red day.
Bumuka
It's
yung
a
isa.
red
It's
day.
okay.
What you want to do?
Yan, spring smooth to ng chocolate.
Mamaya yun. Tapos.
Ay,
There's also three chocolate.
ang ganda. Ano na siya, templado na siya.
Meron pa iba doon.
Oo nga, sa susunod.
My marshmallows. Yeah,
Maganda nga yun. Yan yung gift mo personal. Ano?
marshmallows.
Sa mga Pasko birthday personal.
Marshmallows.
Marshmallow.
What you want? Marshmallow.
Marshmallow. I like marshmallow because very soft.
What about
And chocolate.
why have two?
Only one marshmallow.
What do you want, Mama? Marshmallow or chocolate?
Chocolate?
Mama like chocolate.
Yes.
How about you?
Marshmallow.
Same with me, marshmallow.
What favorite color?
I like
food.
groom.
Glue.
Groom.
Glue.
Kung nasa mga ng
This?
man.
Again.
This green.
Yes.
Not
Groom.
Not green.
Green.
Okay.
Alin ang
green
pupunasan ito?
and one more. What
Kasi
you
pag
want?
hinagasan mo yun.
One more. What you want?
Blue.
Okay. I will put you two green and blue. Okay.
Okay. Green and blue.
Me, I choose pink and yellow
Why?
because I like.
Favorite?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Because they mix on the white become white pink.
Oh. If you mix, they become white pink.
Yes.
Meron palang sunflower oil. Yun na yun, di ba? Yung
Ito, sunflower oil.
sunflower oil.
Mama, this is also circle.
Yeah.
You see? Mama, what you want your favorite marshmallows?
That is the favorite marshmallow.
Oh, yes. Is this you're throwing the rice?
Yes. Now we are nearly finished.
No, not yet. We have to
Already
put
finished.
the marshmallows for the...
Only 2
Uh-huh.
pieces each. Okay, you put it. Ba't nasa mantika yan?
Can I?
Okay. And not marshmallow. This one is later after you cook. This one.
You help Mama put in the... Yeah, that one.
No, me. This is not here. This is here.
Okay. Ayun mo pala.
Oh, alam niya. Sige, broken. Okay. No.
Here. You said here.
Alam niya. Okay, cut
Red.
it.
2 pieces.
Red.
First the scissor.
Give it to
Wait.
myself.
Dapat bili
Yes.
tayo ng ganito, mahan. Yung ganito.
Can I?
Oh, go.
Yan,
With
only.
your hand. Oh no,
It's
Mama,
okay,
May.
just
Yeah,
put
it's
it there.
Okay, only 3 each.
Only 3.
Or 5. Don't spread it in the...
Yeah, you put more. Oh, no.
So
Okay,
many.
so many there.
Other. Only 5, yeah.
You also.
No,
You
do
try it all. Because you're the one cooking. Now go.
Chocolate is hearing me.
Mm-hmm.
That's right.
No. Chocolate is hearing you, Gabby.
Chocolate is hearing your ear.
Yeah. Go.
Go.
More there. I hold it.
No.
Okay, I hold it. Go.
Hi guys, come.
Go, put it there.
Look at the beastie.
Yes.
Dalawang secretary ni Madam. Madam, what you cooking?
Cookies.
That is not a cupcake.
Muffin.
But it's like a cookie.
Yung isa chocolate yun, ano yung isang flavor yun? Oh, here. Yeah.
Go.
Ito pa. Oh, ang dami.
Okay. There. Alright.
Okay.
Cook na. So wait, mama.
Mimi, I will put
Alright. Bye-bye.